Alright guys, we have a special one this time. Now I'll show you what I mean in the microscope. This is a KS0 Ultra, and the plug, or the power plug, just came off the board when he unplugged the cord. So let me get under the microscope here and show you guys. So if you look down in here, get it focused a little bit, you can see there's almost no solder down in those holes. It's barely touching the bottom. You can see it looks okay here. Kind of melted a little maybe on the power because it was barely touching. Look at that. Barely touching the ends of that connector. So I'm going to go ahead and get that solder removed, and I'm going to put a 6-pin on for this guy, so if he wants to overclock it on 12 volt he can. There we go. You can see the solder going through the holes on this one. So this one won't fall out. Look at that. Better than factory.
Look at those joints. And look at that, better than factory connector. We're done.
I'm just gonna go ahead and test to make sure there's no short on the board. And that should be it. I'm going to go ahead and package it back up. Alright, everything checks out. What I could do is just plug it in real quick, make sure the lights turn on. So we'll do that real quick here. Alright, let me go ahead and plug it in. Turn the power supply on, and yes, everything turns on. Looks like it's gonna work, so that's all the testing I need to do. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna clean up a little more, ship it back out. Thanks for watching.